Alright, testing, 1, 2, 3, it's your boy.
Alright, today's the day we play Yalan.
Yalands. Whoa. Because I played Hentai Killer and Hentai Nazi before this, and I'm in a strange mental state.
And I'm here too.
Yeah, Catmaster's here. He's the 100% Fox from the video that I uploaded yesterday. So, welcome back, 100% Fox.
2,000 years later.
We're gonna sign it and see where it takes us. Alright, enter a name. Onee Chan.
A few inches later.
Alright, I guess it's time to make the Onee Chan OC once again.
A few moments later.
I'm sorry, are those all my choices?
Day 2.
This feels like social media meant for like 4-year-olds. Oh, you weren't joking, they're literally called coins. And your profile is linked with buy account. Enjoy.
I'm not sure myself what that means, but I literally think I'm soft locked.
You soft locked yourself in a sandbox on the home screen.
Day 3.
Okay, this game is so actually bad. Can we please stop?
Yeah. Alright, Ender Sight. Imagine if it didn't support gamepad. Oh man. No. Audio, please. No. Hold on. Hey. Hold on. We gotta get that.
I don't know, you better stop!
Hello?
It's got a bop music though. What am I using? What did you do?
Green.
What are you using to do that?
Controller. How do I move? Oh my gosh, I'm learning.
Day 4.
Oh my gosh, click the map, Elijah.
But you can't even play, you said. Oh?
Oh! I can control now. Yay!
He's about to SD.
Oh, this isn't a Smash. This is Smash Bros.
SD.
Hey!
SD. SD.
Shut up, Elijah. I'm gonna make you SD real
SD. SD.
Do you need to go to sleep? Never.
SD.
Are you sleep deprived? Like, are you good? I'm not SD in that time.
SD. One more match though until we get the new Pog level. SD. Beach level. Beach episode, guys. SD. But hey, we only have to get 50 more. What? SD.
Oh
SD.
Okay.
SD. 200% accurate. SD.
I can make you jump.
I'm gone. I'm gonna turn off the face cam from this point forward. SD. That's a reasonable response. I respect that response. I think I'm reading an SD coming up right here. Yeah. SD. This video, if it ever becomes a video, is gonna look so dumb. It's just gonna be us saying SD and ASMR. I'm gonna title it that. Oh my god. I have such a funny thumbnail idea. This map gonna be good. SC.
I said D.
That is not correct.
About the FDU. Oh god. Oh.
Easy claps. No, I'm gonna SD. No. SC. Wait, no. I think I have a strategy. Hey, look at that comeback. SD.